Hello everyone, I am Vijay Mohan Shrimal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jagannath University. Today we are discussing about the unit number 7, that is applications of MIS in the area of human resource management. The subject name is Management Information System and the subject code is OL MBA 202. The topics which are covered in this unit are the introduction, application of MIS in the areas of human resource management, information needs of organization, outputs of HR MIS. This is the introduction. The organizations needs human resources, that is the people who would be assisting the organization in doing the work which will cater to the process of achieving the business objectives. In other words, it is the work that is done by the people which ensures that the business is able to survive the market dynamics and thus it is able to achieve the business objectives. Further, it is not this issue or challenges, there are other issues as well. This means that the management wants information pertaining to the number of defects introduced by the person in the task allocated to them, or the number of unproductive hours carried out by them. They may want more information with respect to the people posted on site. So this is the basic information about the human resource management. This is the systematic diagram which represents the human resource management. So there are following points, following components which are helpful for the human resource management. The first one is the conducting job analysis, recruitment and orientations, training and development, compensation and benefits, performance appraisals, employee motivation and career development. So these are the 6 points which represent the human resource management, the activities which are performed in the human resource management. These all activities required a particular information that helps in the MIS. So in the above figure, it is seen that the functions of human resources, the information management system can assist the executive management in providing the request information to managers, the management information system. Applications of MIS in the areas of human resource management are the followings: tracking of human resource personals, tracking of human resources in terms of the CTC the company is paying to them, tracking and monitoring of the employees in terms of career growth, tracking, monitoring and the directing towards the business development activities of the employees, tracking and monitoring in terms of their contribution towards solving the customer complaints. In the process of providing information about the resources who are working as full-time employees, part-time employees, casual employees or temporary employees. Outputs of HR MIS. There are some outputs which represents in the human resource management system through the MIS. So the employee management. In the human resource management, the MIS plays a role of management of the employees, management of the leave, management of the payrolls, management of the training and management of the requirement. These all 5 points are based for the employee's purpose. The personal management reports, statutory knowledge updates, operational updates, decision analysis, action reports. So the strategy contains the attendance, PF, accident report, income tax. These 4 points are covered in this point. Knowledge updates, employee strength, joining and transfer, product and salary. These 4 points covered through the knowledge updates. Operational updates means daily attendance, work done and absentees. These 3 points are covered in the operational updates. Decision analysis, job skills, accidents, training and safety. These are the covered in the decision analysis. And the action reports contains the additional manpower and transfer. So the human resource management system worked with the MIS through the following management things. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.